how to insert YouTube videos on Google Sites. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to integrate YouTube videos or from your channels or from other channels onto your Google Sites, here's what you need to do. So first open up any of your browser and simply search in for Google Sites and make sure you're currently logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in with my account, and as I've also created a particular project under my Google Sites which I haven't published yet. So now let's say I want to integrate a particular YouTube video onto my Google Sites over here. So to do that, I'll simply head over to this right section and make sure you are under this insert tab and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is YouTube. So simply select it from over here. Now you'll get a bunch of options to actually search a particular YouTube video. So let's say I want to search for a particular video just like this. So I'll simply search for that particular topic. So once you're searching for that, you just have to select any of the random videos or which you like and simply click on insert just like that, and just like that your particular selected YouTube video will appear on your Google site and you can adjust the position of that particular video accordingly. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.